Understanding a safe wager in English. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, a safe wager. Understanding phrases like these can add flair to your English conversations, and that's exactly what we're going to explore. So, let's get started. A safe wager is an idiom that means a bet or guess that is very likely to be correct or to succeed. It's often used in situations where the outcome is so predictable that the risk of being wrong is minimal. In essence, it's something you can confidently rely on. The origins of the phrase come from the world of gambling, where a wager is a bet or an amount of money that someone risks on the outcome of an event. When a bet is safe, it implies that there's little chance of losing. This phrase has been adopted into everyday language to express certainty in outcomes, even outside of betting. You can use a safe wager in a variety of contexts. For example, predicting outcomes. It's a safe wager that they'll win the championship this year because they've been the best team by far. Giving advice. Investing in your education is always a safe wager for a better future. Making assumptions. Given the weather forecast, it's a safe wager to bring an umbrella today. Let's look at some examples to see how it works in sentences. 1. Considering his expertise, it's a safe wager that he'll solve the problem. 2. With that level of customer satisfaction, investing in their product is a safe wager. 3. Choosing her to lead the project was a safe wager. She's never let us down. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, a safe wager. Hopefully, you now feel confident in understanding and using this phrase in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a safe wager to sound more like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.